Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about another case study regarding Google Merchant Center accounts being suspended. This one was being suspended for misrepresentation where Google doesn't want users to feel misled by the content promoted in shopping ads. So Google was of the view that you are doing some misrepresentation, which is why it's causing an error. Whenever a situation like this happens, we have a 44 steps audit strategy to overcome these issues. For those who don't know, I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as a owner of a Google partner company. I got my SEO certification back in 2006, so it's like years I've been working in this field. I spent my childhood in this field, so in case if you're looking for service of one of these things, you are more than welcome to hit us via the link in the description. So without wasting any time, let's get started on the issue. So what we sorted out, and some discussion and ideas on this. So once the client came to us and started working on with us, so we figured once we did the audit, we had some issues on the website, some coding issues which our developer can understand better. We figured out those issues in the theme and plugin. So it was a miss kind of a plugin error. It was not any null plugin error, or it was just coding issue. Then we also scanned for malware check, virus check. We also got a confusion at the start that the website is hit by malware scanner, but once we did a recheck, we figured out that it's completely clean. And then we also did a page recommendation. So we wanted to add few pages to get it sorted. We also recommended them to for some broker links, some image broker links, some there are few issues. You are not directly having a broker link error issue on your website, but once you figure out strategy, you come to know that an image is wrongly pointed to somewhere else, and you don't know there is some error in the checkout process. For instance, if you want to add a single product, it's working fine, but if you want to add multiple products, it's causing issue in the checkout. So that can also be an error issue. We figured those and we updated those as well. Then there were some contact page issues. We wanted to add few things on the contact page, and as well as some pages we wanted to add some refund policy changes, and we wanted to match with the information being uploaded on the Google merchant. And then we also recommended them for Google map listing. We also did page speed analysis, because 44 steps are actually a huge step. So once we did it, so I'm going to now show you, because it took us a little bit time on these things. So I'm going to show you another mail, so just stay with me on this. So now you can see this is another successful case study of an account, because that account is no longer suspended. Let me show you by opening the GMC as well. Okay, so here is an account. You can see that the account was having suspension from over here, and it went right now till over here, and today is 10 and 10. You can verify the date as well, and it's now active. So there are no more suspension error over here, and you can see the free listing is back again. So you can see that the account was approved over here, and then it got suspended, and then here it's back again, running again. So yeah, you can now see this is another successful case study regarding Google Merchant Center account suspended for misrepresentation. For those who don't know, we also work with other errors and issues, like website needs improvement, and any error of Google Merchant Center, any Google Ads suspension error, or any management setup regarding Google Ads, Facebook Ads, even for SEO, and even we work with the landing pages creation development as well for those who are looking for one. So in case if you need one, you are more than welcome to hire us through the link in the description of this video. Once again, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel in case if you want to see videos like these where we discuss case studies, and where we did discuss on what things we do regarding the improvement of Google Merchant Center accounts, the strategies we do, the audits we do, and another successful case studies. Just this even works as a motivation as well who are in this field. And I mainly post content regarding Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO, Google Merchant Center related to digital marketing. So we actually move around these things, and I have ample of videos right now. I have more than almost 300 videos on these topics. So make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a video like this. Once again, thank you for watching and bye bye.